Okay, we have a Haas Cnc Toolroom Lathe model TL-3, serial number 371755. This machine was new in 2005 and it is running. It has a Haas CNC control. The control has intuitive programming and it also has rigid tapping. We're going to run some stuff for you. Machine 500 RPM. It does go up to 1800 RPM. It's very quiet. 1000. That is a 8-inch 3-jaw buck chuck on the spindle.
1400.
1400. Machine also does have the cooling system. You have the manual hand wheels as well as the control. He's running the Z-axis. You have 60-inch between centers. He's running the X. You have 13 inches of swing over the cross slide, 60-inch centers. You have 20-inch swing over the saddle wings, and it seems to have about 30-inch swing over the ways. He's using the hand wheels. When you use the hand wheels, machine's control acts as a digital readout. You can turn parts manually or automatically. And you also have the tailstock. The tailstock has a manual quill with 6 inches of travel and a number 5 Morse taper. There you go. Hey, I think you've seen it. Thank you for watching our video.